Symptoms of depression. What are they like, and how do you deal with them? Symptoms of depression.
Eh, yeah. In the beginning, I used to dance to the present tunes. Like if my mood is on a low, that is where I'm gonna be. I'm gonna lay the whole day.
That's me too.
Yeah. But now it's like no, I need to get up. Remind myself to get up. Put some makeup on your face, man.
Get
Take
up,
pictures
raise up.
or do something. Get out. But here you can't lay or stay. But sometimes like I've been having a hard time crying. Me and my psychiatrist were going over that. So I am not a teary ones.
You've never been at
Yeah, I'm never in a teary mode. But it's like that bitter feeling when you feel like all emotions and you can't decide which one you're actually feeling. Am I warm or am I cold? Do I care or do I don't care? Like, and they say usually it's overthink, but it's you not being in contact with your emotion.
Yeah.
Like you can't describe if you like blue, well you actually like red and green too, and
Yes.
purple and you understand where I'm going with this.
Get you.
It's never being the easiest way for me to describe depression. It's never being sure what you want, what you need, and what you deserve.
Yes.
It's always what I need to do, not for my sake, but for others' sake.
Yes.
Especially your family.
Yes.
It's about you wanna make sure they are okay.
Yeah.
The hell with
Pleasing
me.
all of them.
I'm dying for a hug and a
Yeah.
kiss, but like wait a second. My son needs to eat.
Yeah.
My mom needs this for me.
Yes.
I need to make sure it's correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
And at the end of the day, you are on meds.
So what you are actually saying, Jamie, is like you've been like surviving other than living. You've been like surviving, making sure everybody is
Okay.
set and solid and stuff like that, while you stop living and just being like drowning in your emotions and stuff like that. Okay. So anyone watching, Jamie just said the symptoms of depression. Please make sure you guys know what you are feeling and please check it out. Go see your nearest